Alright everybody, what's up? We're back. As you can tell, we're not in our buddy's garage, waiting on him to finish up some stuff that he wanted to do besides the turbo upgrades and stuff. So we're helping out another person today. Karie, you've seen her once or twice. Until we can get back in the garage, get the parts car out, and get the Beamer back in. So let's get to it. What we're putting in today: Buddy Club, short shifter. Get this set down here. Get a good view in the box. So, what I'd call a decent budget option besides all the fancy K-Tune super expensive ones. This ran probably about $130, $150. Has the built-in solid mounts and what she was gifted from our other buddy. We'll make sure that fits real quick. Alright, looks like that's gonna fit nice and snug. She may or may not change it later, who knows. But that's what we're doing. Help her out, since she's been pretty supportive of everything. And besides that, we're just doing some general cleaning, whatnot, and going through the car some more. So I don't know if you've seen the RSX on the channel, but that's also hers besides the Del Sol. So let's get to it. Alright, get back in here with Karie. Long time no see. You excited?
I am.
Okay.
Finally.
Yep. So she pretty new to the whole thing, and she prides herself on doing most of the work herself. So we're gonna let her keep doing that and just kind of hang out and help when needed, and try to get it knocked out today because the car needs to be driven tomorrow. So let's get to it. I ain't gonna wait no longer.
Who wants to take bets that we have to go to either the parts store or Harbor Freight? Am I allowed to say that?
I don't know. We shouldn't. But
Bet.
let's get to it. Alright, so had to figure out some place to mount everything, and we're just gonna get to it. Where's that screwdriver I just had? Oh, right here. Before we actually take it apart, that's factory throw. 1, 2. All right, so she had to stop a little bit and look at the how-to, and I've never done this before, so a nice refresher was always good. But while we were paused, at least we took care of this.
Bye.
And another big thing, which I'll probably show this later, is somehow these threads got messed up. So that's what the whole shift knob and everything was for. So we've seen the Del Sol once previously on the channel before we actually put a title to the whole Fast Friends or Fast with Friends side stuff. You want to talk about what your plans are for this and that in the meantime?
Make it pretty.
Oh, come on. You told me you want to concentrate on handling in the Del Sol.
Del Sol is my handling, potentially autocross car, and little baby power upgrade to it at some point. This one, since it's naturally coming with more horsepower, this one will be my go fast car.
Fair enough. I keep trying to talk her into running the 11.5 class IFO, but she doesn't know if she wants to. Which I think would be pretty cool, because I don't think I've seen any girls drive IFO close to where we are. Now, I might be wrong, and if I am, I apologize. All right, everybody. So, funny story. If things look slightly different in the video than it did before, the SD card on the GoPro got full.
And then it died.
And then it was dying. So, good news is, we've been filming a lot for you guys. We've just need to get it edited and posted. And from the big thing with Mike's, because his took a little longer than what this would, I was concentrating on getting the good camera charged. I was trying to just do this with the GoPro. Started with like half battery. I don't know. But it's going to be fully charged. Say hi again to Karie. Alright, let's get the rest of this going.
I disconnected the cigarette lighter in the back.
Okay. Our friend Ashley should be here. Hold the camera.
Why those guys on the YouTube video had so many issues? What the hell?
Looks like you're having issues.
Okay.
Alright, so this actually does not look stock.
No.
So that's what I'm talking about, because I can't have a camera while I'm sitting in the car. Because I was super unprepared for this, apparently. That, however, does look stock. This looks like it can be retucked over there.
Not to put me on the spot, but apparently I'm supposed to talk about going fast in my cars. No, with this car, one of my main concerns really is doing just some general maintenance. The next big thing after we do this is going to be working on the headers. I have an exhaust leak due to some O2 sensor issues. So, next big thing is that. This does have an aftermarket exhaust on it, just isn't hooked up real sound. Definitely on the Del Sol, we have an entire bushings kit to put in. On this, I've actually got 3 Buddy Club things. I have the Buddy Club short throw shifter. I have ball joints for the front. And I have coilovers that need rebuilt. So I actually have the coilovers came with the car. They need rebuilt. Actually got a hold of Buddy Club. They were fantastic. So I'd need to get some money together and ship those out to California. So once those are shipped and rebuilt, can put those in. Probably new front tires. I wasn't prepared for this at all. Luckily, John's almost back, so little rundown.
All right. Oh, this whole thing's just throwing me off course. So I'm gonna cut and get a good angle set up for everybody, and then we'll be right back. But in the meantime, guys, Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and always remember to enjoy the ride. Alright, so here's the deal. Like, this happens a lot. I mean, it's not uncommon. Found out somebody was in there beforehand. Some other small things were done. The cable bushing insert for the one was missing. Can't get a local, and should be here tomorrow, next day. We're just going to order upgrade ones, get it done right the first time. And so we'll have to continue the video. But we'll also get to talk about those once they come in too. So we're going to cut it and follow back up when the rest of the stuff shows up and we can get it done. Till then, we'll see you guys.
Filming.
Alright everybody, what's up? We're back. As you can tell, finally got what we needed. Just doing some test fitting before we actually started filming. So, new Durlin bushings for the shift cable inserts. That one was missing. We got it in. We need to get this one out, get this one in, and then we can throw everything back together for Karie. Got it from Hybrid Racing. It was $24 plus shipping, something like that. That's the part number. So, let's get it done. Hopefully we can surprise Karie when she wakes up, because I'm sick of waiting. And we'll get to it. That was fairly simple. Just clipped in. No big deal.
Rolling back.
Now it's time for the new pieces.
Is that the new?
Yeah. Showed you this last time, but here it is before it goes back in. We'll get it on and get it adjusted. I believe up is as short as possible on these, so we'll test it out.
Oh, this is the old one.
Yeah.
Oh, it already had
Something on it.
some.
But, oh. Marcus is actually back today. You had a good couple day break, didn't you? Everybody thank Marcus for getting some of the other editing work done, because it was necessary and needed.
Some. I do all of it.
Oh yeah, we gotta go clean these up. Alright. We're gonna cut, go get these threads up, because we showed you the last time, and we'll be back. Alright. Bolts are clean, we're just getting them back in. I think Karie needs cup holders. You think Karie needs cup holders? We just leave all the plastics out. Every time we start doing something to this car, we're just going to leave off less and less.
Weight reduction.
Let us know in the comments. Oh, and as always, like, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because we really need it.
Oh, it's that tight.
That is going to take some getting used to.
First. Third.
Wow.
Wow.
That's surprising.
Oh my god. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. I got it.
How good is it?
It's crispy.
Crispy.
All right, everything's almost back together. We're just running to the parts store real quick. Pick up a little piece to make the shift knob just right. And, I don't know. You got anything? We'll see what else we can get into tonight. Might go do some more on it. Who knows? Depends on what's going on. But until then, we're going to the parts store. We'll be right back and finish it up. Alright, YouTube, what's up? We're back. New day. Got caught up at the parts store, helping some other friends out. But we're going to finish it up. Showing you the finished product because we had to finish it up when it was a little dark. Took some time, did some cleaning. She went ahead and just did her own little custom job on the shift boot. But there it is.
Should I tell them what it is?
Yeah, if you want to.
It's a repurposed face shield.
There it is. Nice little moving knob. Whatever. I'll tell you what. As soon as I get flipped around here. Feels a million times better. It's not really notchy. It's crisp. Karie didn't put the seat back. But, yeah. Feels a lot better. We want to do the bushing on the trans next, and that should be the majority of what's left on shift work. And gotta start looking at a new exhaust manifold here. So
I also got stickers with my
everybody loves
bushings.
stickers. But for now, we're gonna go get some food, get some other errands done. YouTube, we'll catch you later. And remember, always enjoy the ride.